What's up, guys? This is James at Locking the Value and Copy My Crypto, talking to you today about the wonderful world of crypto. It is nice to see a green day, especially after the sort of teeny tiny bearish momentum that we had yesterday. And that was down to sort of Ethereum and Bitcoin selling pressure, so it was pushing down a little bit. We've rebounced. Everything's in green. It's actually a lovely day. It's actually a lovely day. As always, the spreadsheet's updated. NKN. What a tear NKN is on. Never deny the excitement of staking. And when Binance announces a staking thing, it's a big deal. And NKN is enjoying those results. We actually saw it with Zilliqa as well. When Zilliqa first got it, when the staking got announced for Zilliqa on KuCoin and Binance, Zilliqa had a huge run. Obviously, there were issues with regards to the staking. That seems to be all fairly resolved now. But yeah, the benefit, like if Binance announces a staking thing, expect something to run. And we've seen it with multiple cryptos. Icon as well was one of them. Yeah, so the spreadsheet, like I say, is updated. Grin's still firing. It's ridiculous. The $2,600 of investment, if you'd have put $100 into each, when I did videos on them on YouTube, you'd now be in profit for 40 grand. Just shows how much the market's really starting to run. Theta again is on a continuous tear. NKN engine, it's all running. It's all running. I don't hold most of these. Hold a few of them. The rest are into other projects now. Sold out at profit and put that into projects that we're going to move faster. And that's what I do on Copy My Crypto. Anyone that's a member has seen the results of the last 4 coins. And we've got 2 in particular that I still think is a huge room to run. Huge. I mean, all 4 have got. In particular, I'm really excited about. Anyway, guys, let's talk crypto. Let's talk Pancakeswap. Before I get into that, actually, this is a decent article. It's a little bit old now. But this is about industries blockchain will disrupt. And it's worth looking at this. You know, whenever you're thinking about a project that could be a game changer, right? Is it a game changer in terms of an industry? Because if it is, then that's worth looking into more. And there's obviously multiple ones. Banking and payments is an obvious one. Cybersecurity, supply chain management. I mean, VeChain's an exact example of that. Forecasting, we've got Augur for that, really, and then there's many now that are doing the forecasting and prediction markets. Networking and the Internet of Things, again, that's quite big. Insurance is still an underdeveloped sector. There's definitely some really good insurance protocols out now, but definitely there's still real room for growth in that market. Private transport and ride sharing. Cloud storage, we've seen a massive run on cloud storage, obviously with Filecoin, Silecoin. The cloud storage is really having its moment in the sun at the moment, or it has been for the last month. Charity is obviously a common issue within charities, corruption and the money not going to the right places. So blockchain could resolve that. Voting, government. I mean, I always doubt the level of impact that voting, that something like that is going to have on voting. Like, is that going to bring value to a coin? Government systems, public benefits, healthcare. Healthcare is definitely a big one that can be disrupted, especially when we see a pandemic at the moment, and you know how difficult it is to get hold of a bloody doctor. Yeah, energy management. But this is worth having a look at. Real estate. Real estate's one we've not really seen too much of. I would like to see more of real estate. Crowdfunding is a fairly obvious one, and it's one that we're seeing a hell of a lot of at the moment. It's something to look at. Whenever you're looking into a coin itself, look at how can that change a space. If you can change a space, there's value in that coin. Yeah. Anyway, I want to get onto Pancakeswap. Guys, Pancakeswap is a beast. You know, when we look at like the potential for DeFi. To me, the best thing that epitomizes that is Pancakeswap. I'll be real, I hold no Pancakeswap right now. I may well do in the future. I use Pancakeswap a lot, but I hold none. Now, if we actually just go through Pancakeswap, firstly, actually making a swap is bloody feeless. Like, even if I'm making a 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 grand trade, I'm never paying more than $1 ever. It's brilliant. But then the ability to actually compound your gains just using some of Pancakeswap's features is exceptional. So if you go back to home for a second, we are on home. Sorry. So when we're on home, there's sections for farms and staking, lottery wins. Now, farms and staking pools are what I want to show you. The staking pools, the rate of return is exceptional, absolutely exceptional. So these are your staking pools, right? For every one of these, you stake cake, so the Pancakeswap token, and you can earn these, right? So obviously stake pancake, pancake is that one, but stake pancake Bondly. But your APR, look at these APRs. 103% across a year, 81% across a year, 111% across a year. And make no mistake, there are some gem tokens here within all these staking pools. There's some really nice little like unknown gems as well as known gems like Zilliqa. APR 94% on Zilliqa. Okay. And like I said, if we actually look, there's so where is it? I saw one earlier that I thought caught my eye. Be Open Pool. I really recommend people check out this project. Be Open. It's not. That's actually a Binance. This is an Ethereum token, but this is the Binance bridge for it. But it's open DAO. It's a really interesting project. I'm looking into it more and more and more at the moment. But yeah, and there's tons. Dodo, Ditto. Absolutely worth people looking at. If you are sitting holding Pancakeswap and you're not using this, you're a fool. You've got to be making sure it's working for you. And what I'll say, guys, if you live in America, if you download a VPN, if you get a VPN and a paid one, not a free one, because a free one doesn't have the security you need, but if you download and pay for a proper VPN, you can use Pancakeswap without issue. But that is a workaround, okay? And that is the staking pools. The staking pools, like I say, the returns are great. And then if you look at the farms are very, very interesting as well. So this is when you hold the liquidity pool token. So to hold a liquidity pool token, you're basically holding both tokens and you convert them into a liquidity pool token on through the network. So I'll show you in a sec. So before we do it, I'll just give you an example. So we use Bondly and BNB, right? So all you do is if you've got Bondly and BNB tokens, click on liquidity, and then the exchange will open up. And what you'll do is you will click on Bondly, BNB, put in the amounts that you have, and it will match them so that they're sort of equal in terms of value. And then you will add liquidity. And that's it. That is it. So look, say BNB and Bondly. There we go. And all we would do is input our information and then click add. You'd unlock your wallet, obviously, but I'm not going to do that. But unlock your wallet and you add liquidity, right? Once you've done that, you'll be given a liquidity pool token. When you go onto your liquidity pool, when you go onto the farms, you've now got the opportunity to utilize your LP tokens, your liquidity pool tokens. And then it's simple. And the returns again. Obviously, there's more risk of like impermanent loss, and you're potentially your finances or your funds disappearing, right? That is a risk that you're playing when you're adding liquidity. Okay, but if you know they're legit projects, the risk is legitimately less. If it's a new project that you know nothing about and you're taking that gamble, it is a gamble, right? Um, but that's it. So, and if you actually look at the APRs for the year on these, they're insane. You know, Bondly stake in the Pancake got you like 100, I think it was 110% APR for Bondly, but on the liquidity pool, sorry, on the farm, you're getting 500% per year. Per year. Staggering. Staggering. And like I said, if you're on Pancakeswap, there are so many benefits to it. I mean, they outweigh Uniswap dramatically. Yeah. So and you don't even need to go through all the nonsense I just said. Click on if you're on this, you can just click get Bondly BNB liquidity pool and you will get it. And then you come back here and you can just apply it to the farm and you can harvest cake. So what you'll be earning each time is cake, right? So you'll be earning the Pancakeswap token. It's no bad thing. The Pancakeswap token's going nowhere. It's going to gain value. You know, is really truly feasible that the Pancakeswap token goes anywhere up to about $50 this year. Maybe more. Seriously, maybe more. Right? I mean, make no mistake about it, Binance's innovations, there's a reason that their token is worth $400+ now, is the innovations within the Binance Smart Chain, and PancakeSwap's at the fore of that. So if you haven't checked out PancakeSwap, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. And if you're in America, you might have to get downloaded and pay for a VPN, but you'll get your money back many, many, many times over just from staking, let alone potentially staking liquidity pool tokens. And this, yeah, and I just wanted to bring that to people's attention because, like, I know there's a lot of people that use it, but there's also a lot of people that I hear going, "I'm not sure how to use it." Then try it. And if you can't because of the country you're in, get a VPN and get around it because I guarantee you it's going to pay off. And make no mistake about it, they burn cake as well. So there's not going to be a constant supply. That's a good thing. You know, total cake burn, 100 million. Okay? Total cake supply, 149 million. They've burned 100 million. The total value locked in Pancakeswap across liquidity pools and staking pools, 6 billion. 6.4 billion. So when this is happening, you've got to look at that and go, why the hell is that much money in? And that's because people have realized that they can make more. So if you're not in it, for the love of God, check it out. For the love of God, check it out because it's easy money. It's money for old rope is the phrase. Yeah. No work on your part. Simple as. Okay. And on top of that, the Pancakeswap token will gain value. So even if you're just holding it and you don't necessarily want to interact with it, which I don't know why you would, like why you wouldn't, but even if you don't want it, the Pancakeswap's token's going to gain value anyway, as is most of the things on the Binance Smart Chain at this point. And anything moving to the Binance Smart Chain at any point that you see, I expect to do some level of run because it brings more excitement. It also brings more people investing in the projects to necessarily stake it or to utilize it in a farm. So yeah, really quick. And I know it's not a comprehensive review whatsoever, but if you've not seen it, try it. Yeah, because there's some of these farms you're getting 500+% per year interest. Yeah, we've got like 8 months till it's December, right? In that time, that's 2/3 of the year. So 2/3 of 550% is still a hell of a lot, right? Still a hell of a return. You're still getting a 3x on your investment just on interest. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, I wanted to bring that to people's attention. Anyway, yeah, as always, guys, tell me your favorite, just generally, what's your favorite DeFi project? Yeah, I'm curious to see what people say. Is it a launch pad? Is it a swap? Is it a DeFi project where you can do some staking or farming or whatever? Let me know in the comments. As always, I do not send my WhatsApp information out to people. I don't contact people on WhatsApp or send my phone number out. If you're seeing any WhatsApp numbers in the comments, they're scams. Please avoid them. If you've not checked out Copy My Crypto, please check it out. We've had the last 4 picks have been brilliant. The first 2 smashed it. The third one has had a good run, and I'm still waiting up for it to pop. The 4th one that we've spoken about really did a good run in the last 24 hours as well. So yeah, give it a look, check it out, guys. Anyway, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.